sehari-hari mesti mau makan pedas.
Les épices donnent un autre niveau de complexité au produit.
Chili adalah nyawa saya.
I've been to many places in the world, but the spices of Malaysia are the best.
ஒரு நல்ல சில்லி காரமாக இருக்க வேண்டும்.
我妈妈做的辣椒酱是全世界最好吃的辣椒酱。
Good chili or bad chili, I call the shots. Selecting the right chili is essential to prepare authentic Malaysian cuisine. HEXA has been pursuing the most delicious chili flavors since 2007. Making spices require a lot of good attention and details, just like making good coffee. There are hundreds of different kinds of chili in the world and countless recipes. My desire to make the best Malaysian tasting cuisine has brought me to many places. Quality of the ingredients determines how good the food can be. Only chilies that meets our requirement of shape, brightness, color, and gloss is eligible to be made into spices. We use an extremely accurate AI-powered selection process to identify the best chilies quickly and efficiently. When we set a goal, we intend to complete it. We take pride in assembling the necessary talents and tools. That's why we partner with HUAWEI in our mission to produce the best spices. Malaysians say chili is a meal. People don't simply just eat chili, they taste the struggle. They taste love. That tastes home. What makes a good chili? The best way to answer this question is to never stop seeking for a better answer. We have a mission to link traditions with the flavors in people's memories. Always.